everyone. Welcome back to ClickUp Unplugged, Productivity Without Limits. I'm Sally, your host, and I'm joined once again by my fellow ClickUp enthusiasts, Antony and Johan. How's it going, guys?
Doing great. Excited to dive into today's topic.
Same here. ClickUp Docs is one of those features people either love or completely ignore.
Exactly. So today, we're asking the big question. Is ClickUp Docs a hidden gem or just another note-taking tool? Let's start with first impressions. When you guys first tried ClickUp Docs, what did you think?
I honestly didn't use it much at first. I was so focused on tasks and projects that Docs felt like an extra feature I didn't need.
Same. I was still using Google Docs for everything, but once I gave ClickUp Docs a real shot, I saw the potential.
That's interesting because I feel like ClickUp Docs is underrated. It's way more than just a note-taking tool, right?
Definitely. It's directly connected to tasks, which is a game changer. You can create a doc, link it to a task, and never lose track of information.
And the best part? Live collaboration. It's like having Google Docs inside your project management system. You don't have to switch between apps.
That's a huge plus. But let's be real. Does ClickUp Docs actually replace Google Docs or Notion?
For basic documentation, yes. But if you need advanced formatting or publishing options, Google Docs is still better.
I'd say it depends on the use case. If you need structured team docs, meeting notes, or SOPs, ClickUp Docs is perfect. But for deep knowledge management, Notion is still ahead.
Good points. Let's talk about ClickUp Docs features. What's the best part?
Relationships. The way you can link docs to tasks, projects, and even embed tables makes everything feel connected.
Templates. You can create custom document templates for processes, which saves a ton of time.
Love it. Now, what needs improvement?
The mobile experience. Editing docs on the ClickUp mobile app still feels a bit clunky.
I'd say export options. Right now, exporting ClickUp Docs isn't as smooth as Google Docs or Notion.
Fair points. All right, final verdict. Is ClickUp Docs a hidden gem or just another note-taking tool?
Hidden gem if you're already using ClickUp. It's super useful when linked to tasks.
Agreed. It's powerful, but it won't fully replace dedicated document tools like Google Docs or Notion.
So, the takeaway? If you're using ClickUp, give Docs a real shot. It might surprise you. All right, that's it for today. Next episode, we're tackling ClickUp automations. Do they really save time, or are they just extra setup work? If you're enjoying the series, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment. See you next time.